Hi there. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction about the iLabs that we will use it in this course. But before I start, I need to tell you that the iLabs are structured in a different way than the textbook. They are not working together, although they address the same topics, but the iLabs are meant to show you some tools that you can use it in cybersecurity, like applications, softwares, techniques that you can use it for cybersecurity. And in this iLab, we will have around 11 modules. All the iLabs can be covered within 2 days. But I'm not going to ask you to complete all of them in 1 week. I'm going to split the work of the iLabs throughout the 4 weeks of the semester. I am dropping off the last week of the final exam. So in this iLabs, you will see when you buy the access, and you can buy the access through the link. I put it in the course syllabus. Once you make the payment, you should be able to receive an email from EC Council. And by the way, the day after tomorrow, I'm going to invite one of the representatives of the EC Council to make a Zoom meeting for those who are available around noontime. And I will send you the link for the Zoom meeting to give you more information about the iLabs. But in the meantime, please don't get panicked, because I'm going to guide you through the iLabs, and I will show you what to study, how to take the maximum benefits from these iLabs, and what to expect in the exam. The iLabs, as I said, they have 11 modules, which you can access all of them. But in the course, I need you to cover only 8 modules. So as you can see here on the screen, you don't need to cover module 2 for the course, but if you would like to study it for your own benefit, that's fine with me. We will cover module 3, which talks about hard disk and file system. We will cover also data acquisition, module 4, module 5 about anti-forensics techniques. Then we will cover unit 6, talks about Windows forensics, but we will not cover Linux and Mac because this is a bit advanced for our course. But if you would like to check it, that's fine with me, but it's not required in the course. We will cover the network forensics and investigating web attacks. We will cover dark web forensics, but we will not cover the email crimes. And finally, we will cover the malware forensics. You might feel that here we talk about forensic side. Yes, because I am talking in this course about the role of the accountant or the auditor in cybersecurity. I am not talking about programming or computer science, but I'm talking about what the accountant should be aware of in the realm of cybersecurity. So, what do you need to do in each module exactly? First of all, when you get access, for example, this week we will take module 6 and module 8. Module 6, it has 4 labs. When you open up the lab, you will see, or once you click on the link that you have it, it will take you to the launching screen, which will upload the iLab virtually. And by the way, you don't have to finish all the module in one sitting. You can finish as much time as you can, 5-10 minutes, and then you can go back and it will take you back to the same point that you stopped at. So whatever you do, it will be saved automatically. You don't need to do any saving. Once you open up the module, it will show you a scenario of how this lab is going to work out. It will explain the objectives, and then it will give you an overview about the iLab. Watch out for the highlighted tools that you will use it in this iLab, because I'm going to put a few questions about those tools in the assignment. So in the assignment here, for example, the first week, you might see a few questions talking about PC tools, log on sessions, and these are commands. We use it, try to get access to who is logging on to the system. Also, for lab 2, it talks about investigating forensics. In the same way, it's going to give you scenario, objectives, and overview. And what I need from you, actually, it will show you more steps. And in other videos, I'm going to explain how you do the steps and get the benefits from those tools. But this is an introductory video to tell you what are the modules that we will cover in the iLabs, which items you should focus on is the item that are mentioned in the overview. Once you finish each module, here you can see the toolbar that shows you that how much you have completed. Once you complete, it will reach you to 100% and it will say the module complete. You need to make a screenshot for me and then upload it on the link that I will put it on Moodle to give me an evidence that you completed the iLab that are assigned for this week. And in the course syllabus, you see that I put 10% for the iLabs. You split them by 4 because every week we have 2 modules. So for every week, you will get 2.5% for the 2 modules that you will complete from the iLabs for that week. You need to submit the screenshot every Sunday night. Every module, it takes around 1.5 hours. But honestly, you might go faster and you can finish it, or it might take more time if you need to dig down, but approximately 1.5 hours. So when you talk about 2 modules over the whole week, you need an average of 3 hours. For me, it takes much less time, but I assume for somebody like you who has no experience in iLabs, it might take 1 hour and 13 minutes. I hope you find this short video useful, and I'm gonna make more videos on the iLab to guide you on the key points that you should learn from the iLabs. Thank you, and see you in another video. Bye-bye.